How to let only admins can send messages on WhatsApp groups. That's what I'm going to teach you in today's video. So before you do this, you need to be the admin or the creator of the group so you can able to do this. If you are normal participated, you cannot do this or change these settings. So let's go and open WhatsApp application here, and you can pick up any group of the groups that you are in. So I'm going to pick up this one, for example, and then I'm going to tap on the group once again. And here, just scroll down until you can see group settings, this option. So here, click on it, and then you can see all these settings. To let only admins can send messages on the group, just tap on this one that called send messages between edit group settings and add other participations. So we can toggle this option by clicking this option, and that's how no one can send a message, only you. And to let anyone send the message once again, just click on it, and that's how all the members can send messages once again. So that's how you can change the group settings to send messages by admins or all the members. So don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and also let me know down in the comments below if the video is helpful, and thanks for watching.